Hey kids, today I'll be showing you guys how to make different instruments with simple household items. We're going to be making a tambourine and maracas today. Here's a list of different items that you'll need for each instrument. Feel free to take a screenshot or a picture just for reference. Got it? Great, now let's get on with the video. First, we'll be making a tambourine. You'll need 2 paper plates, a handful of macaroni, rice, beads, or anything similar to these items, a hole puncher, some ribbon, and anything else you can use to decorate your instrument. I'll be using markers. Next, you're going to want to get your paper plates and decorate them to your liking. The more colorful, the better. You can also add stickers or anything else you want to use to decorate your tambourine. When you have that done, you're going to want to line up your plates like so, and use your hole puncher to make holes near the edge of the plates, making sure the holes are somewhat evenly spaced apart. You can also have a parent help you out with this if you're having trouble. Depending on the size of your plate, you can have more or less holes. Yours should look somewhat like this. If you don't have a hole puncher, you can use a stapler or tape to close your instrument in the end. Next, you're going to want to carefully place your macaroni, rice, or beads into one plate, like so. Make sure you do this slowly so you don't spill. Now you're going to take your other plate and place it on top of the other, lining up the holes. Then you can count how many holes you have on one plate and get your ribbon out and cut the same amount of pieces as holes. My plate had 6 holes, so I cut out 6 pieces of ribbon. The length of your ribbon should be about 6 inches long, like this. This part is kinda tricky, so make sure you don't rush. You're going to take your first ribbon and string it through the first hole of your 2 plates, then tightly tie a knot. And you're going to continue doing this for the rest of the holes. Make sure you tightly knot the ribbon so your tambourine is sturdy and doesn't fall apart. If you don't have a hole puncher, you can use staples to close your tambourine by just stapling the 2 plates together. And there you have it, our first instrument completed. Next, we'll be making a maraca. For this instrument, you'll need 2 plastic spoons, an old Easter egg, tape, and a little bit of uncooked rice. First, you want to open up your Easter egg and fill half of it with rice. Close the egg and make sure it stays closed, and wrap a piece of tape around the egg. Next, you're going to take your 2 spoons and place the egg between the round parts of the spoons, and neatly and tightly wrap them with tape. After that, you're going to wrap the bottom of the spoons with tape too, in order to hold them in place. You can also add stickers or any other decorations you want to your maraca. And there you have it, our second instrument completed. Now you have your own homemade maracas. And now you can make a band with your family, all while being in quarantine together. Here's some pictures of me and my sisters when we were little with our homemade instruments. That's all for now, kids. I hope you and your families are doing well at home and staying safe and healthy. Have fun. Bye!